Have you ever felt like you're constantly battling your business's tech? You're definitely not alone. Many businesses try to take on the massive task of managing their IT needs on their own. But here's a little secret. Taking a do-it-yourself approach to IT often means more headaches and less productivity. That's exactly why considering outsourced IT can be a game changer. Outsourcing means getting an IT strategy crafted just for your business's needs. You can say goodbye to those generic solutions that never seem to fit. Imagine having a dedicated team of IT pros ready to tackle any issues swiftly and ensure your operations run smoothly without a hitch. And the cherry on top? They're proactively on the lookout, catching and fixing potential glitches before they can slow you down. This means you can zero in on what you truly excel at, steering your business to new heights. Are you intrigued by how outsourced IT could revolutionize your business? We're here to chat whenever you're ready.